you're definitely going to want to stick around for this entire video. This has been a major change in the entire crypto space over the last 24 or 48 hours, and I think this is something that definitely every single user, every single person that's involved in crypto has an excellent opportunity to potentially strike it rich. There's two areas here that I'm really interested in and excited about, and I'm going to go over both of these areas. So first things first is if we go to the Hey Anon website here, you obviously have access to AI. So we have two forms of AI. We have Hey Anon, the AI, and then we have the Gemma AI. And this is pretty much giving you the opportunity to analyze tokens and stuff like that. Now, this is not what I'm interested in at this moment in time. One of the big things that I'm interested in is the ability of the HUD. So the HUD, as I mentioned in a previous video, gives you the opportunity to basically understand trading markets and understand potential opportunities for support, resistance, all that stuff, right? So if you're new to trading, you haven't a clue about trading, looking to learn about trading, this is an excellent opportunity. The tools are there for you. If we looked at this token here, Wife, which I'll explain a bit in detail in a few minutes, and also here Aura, which most of you probably heard about over the last couple of weeks, how it's pumped from literally next to nothing to 180 million market cap. But with the HUD, what happens is you can get it to analyze the chart. So if you can see down here in the bottom right, it gives you a breakdown of position, how to enter a position. Again, if we look at the actual chart, then you can see here it gives you the complete breakdown. We should be, if you're looking to get into this position, your dollar cost average in around the 16 cent range, and obviously with dollar cost average down to 14. This is potential a range where you could accumulate. Now, the HUD also mentions that this is where potential bigger wallets are accumulating. It tells you about it, what wallets are doing. And again, it's just an excellent, I think, tool to definitely have in your toolkit. But anyway, look, as I said, enough about the HUD section of it. If you're interested in getting involved in that, make sure you reach out to the team. If I come over here, tag Hey and On in their posts, they actually talk about getting access to it. They'll send you on a code and all that for it. So the next big thing, which I think is absolutely massive and has completely shifted the way things are going to be working, is what Danny, which is the creator of the HUD or creator of Hanging On, posted out yesterday, and it's pinned here at this moment in time, and I'll read it out quickly to you. So breaking, Memecoin Casino is now run by DeFi. So again, that's decentralized finance and AI. Starting next week, Hey and On will autonomously launch coins on Arena on Avalanche. So you interact with Hey and On tweets, you tag us. This might trigger an actual launch. So straight away, if you have triggered a launch, then the AI picks the name that triggered the launch, the narrative, the moment, and if it's you, you get 1% supply of the tokens is sent directly to your wallet. Now you're probably wondering how this is done. This is going to be done through in partnership with Kato. They're socialfied basically. They have the ability to interact, earn yaps, and how they can link your account to wallets. So again, I leave a link for Kato if you're interested in joining. The link will be below in the description. But it's a simple enough process. You provide content, you provide materials, you engage with Hey and On account, and you're going to be potentially have the opportunity to get a meme token launch. You have nothing to do with it. You just get 1% of the supply. Now, where this is also being stepped up a little bit more is, as I mentioned previously over here with this token, Wife token, this is a token that was launched as well. And pretty much this is going to be as a meme token. And as the meme goes, everybody's looking for wife changing money. And the thing about this is what's going to happen with it is people can interact and engage with Hey Non account. I think a good chunk of this, if not all of it, has been sent to actual the was it the Yap and Kato Yaps. So what they're going to do is they're going to give you some of them wife tokens for again creating content, engaging with the entire Hey On brand, and in turn pushing up their mind share of Anon, the AI agent. So I think this has completely closed up that little circle, as I mentioned, as he mentioned, Danny mentions, it is a flywheel, and it is going to make a massive impact in crypto in total. And you can see it even away from the what they've built out of everything they've built out. It's just a massive opportunity has been built. And here he mentions Mindshare is climbing. you can see, I'd imagine this is going to push right up now in terms of AI, because there is not much other use cases that AI are doing, and I think Anon, what they're doing in the space is absolutely massive, and something I'm definitely looking forward to getting involved in. So key takeaway here from this is you have trading tools to help you trade better. We have the ability to use AI from their own dashboard here, and from here you can buy and sell tokens. Again, I have my wallet connected up to it. It shows you what's in your wallet, shows you obviously contracts, so you can get it set to sell. You can bridge from one chain to another. It goes through different protocols that are in use or that you use, and the entire lot, and then you generally have AI. So that's your one feature. You have obviously your trading features. A lot of information here. Can analyze chart, generate your entry and exit strategies, manage the different lines. Who do you want to see? New lines, things like that. And then we have obviously the social aspect of things, where you engage and interact with Hey and On. You have the opportunity to earn the wife token through the Kato apps. And also starting next week, what'll happen is, if you engage with it, you have the opportunity of a Memecoin just being launched randomly, and you getting 1% of the token. So, if you're supporting, if you're a bag holder of Anon, it's definitely worth getting involved more in this and learning a bit more about it. So look, we're going to leave it there. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.